Hello, my name is Anissa Rahmalia, and my student number is 06021182270006, and my partner is.
My name is Aswin Sanjaya, student number 0305 13 82 22 71 35.
To be continued. Hey Aswin, are you busy? I'm stuck on this history passage about the Comstock Lode.
Not at all. Is that the one about the mining operation in the 19th century?
Yes, I was just reading about the flooding. Did you see how hot the water was?
I did. It says it research 64 degrees Celsius. That's basically like working in a giant kettle.
Right. It said the heat came from hot igneous rock underneath. Geological speaking, that's intense.
It sounds thriving. The next mentions that it was almost impossible to mine below the 1,000-meter level because of it.
And the casualties were so high. Can you believe 53 minutes? That is just 22 months.
It's a tragedy. Some died from falling into the water and other from exertion in those high temperatures.
I can even imagine the oversection working in 64-degree heat must feel like suffocating.
Definitely, that's why they eventually had to build the massive tunnel right.
You mean the Satrotun? It was 6 kilometers long. That's a huge distance for that era.
It really is. It was designed to drain the water and ventilate the upper parts of the mine.
But it wasn't easy to build. The passage say the first section of physical obstacles.
Don't forget the financial crisis too. It sounds like they almost ran out of money several times.
I wonder how many years it actually took. It just say many years of extremely hard work.
It must have felt like forever for the miner, waiting for better air and safety.
It's true. The text compressed the engineering to the laying of the first transcontinental railway.
That's a bold comparison. The railway changed the whole country, so the tunnel must have been an legendary feat.
Well, for the mining industry back then, it was a heroic achievement to overcome such heat.
Do you think? Do you think the Comstock Log will have survived without the Sutron tunnel?
Probably not. The flooding was so severe it was severely hampered before the tunnel was built.
It's interesting how they use the word hiring for engineering, we usually don't use that for people.
I think it's because the engineers to had to be brave to tackle such a dangerous environment.
Fair point. I will I will not want to be the one surfing a tunnel full of scalding water.
Me neither, but without that risk, they would have reached the deeper mineralization.
So it was basically a battle between man and the head of the earth.
Exactly, and in the end, the Saturn was the only reason they could keep going.
I'm glad I just have the to read about it and not actually walk there.
Haha, me too. Anyway, thanks for discussing this with me. Aswin, it helped me understand it better.
No problem, Nisa. It's actually a pretty cool story when you break it down like this.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Nisa.
And bye-bye.